is really nice. It was hard to find any good spots of nature on this planet, but at least there's still nature around, and I see nature blending in with some of the cities and towns. Yeah, it's really pretty. Oh. Okay, let's see, there's a small river here. Huh. Yeah. Oh. Alright. See if I can make it. Yeah! Eat it! Huh. It's kind of a little quiet though. Wonder where all the birdies are. Or the rabbits. Huh?
Oh, hi.
How'd you get
Sorry.
there?
I was just flying in my super form, but you okay?
Super form? Sorry, you kind of spooked me a little bit there.
Oh, I'm sorry. Hey, why don't you come on out of there? Don't be shy. I won't bite.
I'm out.
No, you're not. You're in a little bush. There you go.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Didn't be like that.
So what brings you out here by yourself? You are a kid. You can't be out on your own without supervision.
I'm just enjoying the nature. It's not that bad, is it?
It has its days. But luckily today's a relaxing day. So.
That's true. I was just dropped off here and just exploring the area a bit more, trying to understand this world more.
Okay. Who dropped you off, if you don't mind me asking?
Miss Berry and Mr. Draco.
Oh, those two. Yeah, I know them.
Yeah, I really want...
Go ahead.
Yeah, I really want to be able to understand this world a little bit more here. So far, I'm actually liking it a bit more.
Just be careful who you run into along the way, because it could be crazy at times.
Yeah,
So.
I try to be careful.
That's good. But, sorry, my manners. My name's Dragon. And, what's your name?
My name is Yina.
I'm sorry, say that name again?
Yina?
Give me 1 second, I need to think about something. Hold on.
Okay. It's that look again. That same look that Mr. Chilled and Mr. Alex had.
Sorry.
What's going... Huh?
Hold on.
Yeah, I know that, that's strange. And then Miss Ag also had that look too, once I said Rosaria's name. What is going on? Oh yeah, Miss Berry and Miss Draco, they had that look too when I first met them.
Sorry about that. I had a little bit of a flash, but I'm okay.
Oh, okay.
But anyway, might I ask, Yina, right? What exactly do you do, if you don't mind me asking?
Well, back home, I am a person of the royal family. I don't have an official title yet, but a lot of people like to call me the Princess of Death because of who my dad is.
Please don't tell me your father's name is Azrael.
You know him?
Yep, yeah I do. I know him.
Well, I guess maybe my wish really actually did come true. Just only wish I could be able to actually see my family here.
What would your family be doing here?
Well, I did make a wish a while back to go to another world where at least somewhere I could be able to at least feel comfortable without people looking at me as if I'm gonna kill someone when I'm not like that. But also to at least have somewhere where I can be with my family.
No. I wasn't looking like you were gonna kill somebody. Trust me, I know you're a sweet kid.
Oh, I know, but
it's
the look,
just
that look you had though
reminds
like
me of someone It might have been because you reminded me of someone I already know.
I hear that a lot, especially because I did
I'm
run
serious.
And well, I'm being serious too, because it seems like whenever I ran into some people, I tell them my name, and they keep comparing me to another person. And from what I could be able to tell, I heard some people keep saying that I look like somebody called Peace.
I think maybe you two should probably meet each other to see what she looks like.
Okay. Yeah. Well, at least I know she's a she. But yeah, maybe one day I would like to meet her if possible.
I'll message her. Hold on.
Okay.
I'm gonna get a call from her, actually. Why is she calling me? She should just text me. Hold on.
Okay.
You could have just replied.
Well, I think it'd be easier just to speak than to text and run.
What's your reply?
Alright, so I just wanted to clarify. You said that there is a kid that looks like me?
I'll just turn on the video of this. Look.
Wait. I felt like I seen her before.
Is it from Soul trying to get you back together?
Yeah. Sorry, I'm trying to process this.
Calm down. Remain calm.
I'm trying to.
Apparently what I heard from this kid, Barry and Draco met her, along with Shield and Alex. I think you two should probably meet face to face.
That might be a good idea. However, she is just a child. Especially with what's been going about here, just make sure that she doesn't wander around on her own too much.
Why?
Because if she is actually from the past, I don't want to find out that anyone else that may have it out for me may end up trying to hurt her in order to get rid of me.
I'll keep her at my place till you arrive.
Well, at least tell Barry and Draco, because if she already knows them, and on top of it too, well, wait, or probably we could be able to get Rosaria. I don't know. Just keep her. Just don't have her unsupervised until we could be able to find an actual permanent place for her. Plus, I've been getting reports too that there was also another odd time rift, because I know that there was one that happened on Christmas Day, and then I felt yeah, and then suddenly I felt like another one had just happened.
I'll look into it when I get home. For right now, I'll keep this kid safe.
Alright. But also try not to scare her either. I remembered I used to be a bit of a shy kid because of what some residents of the Fox Kingdom like to be.
Since I'm hearing from you, what scares you? Well, keep that in mind.
Yeah.
Well, go on.
Alright, just if it's somebody who obviously is just going to launch right at her face, try to keep them separated until she's comfortable. If I am familiar with someone, obviously, bit of more of a warm up. If someone has a gun, of course she's gonna probably hide for a bit. I already grew out of that. But if somebody has a sword, she might be a little bit drawn to it. I have been trained to fight at an early age, but I'm just trying to remember who my teacher was. I fucking hate my memories sometimes.
Let's worry about...
Sorry.
Anyway, I'll get going. I'll tend to her. But, yeah, give, yeah, you know what? Don't be messenger. I'll let them know.
Alright, good idea.
And I'll maybe do some studying as well to see if there is a way to bring her back.
Mm-hmm. Also keep an eye out, too, to see if maybe there is someone or something that may have brought her over to, well, this time period.
Maybe she'll know the exact location where she was dropped off at. I'll start there.
Alright, then. Later.
Sorry about that.
It's okay. Thanks for telling her to watch her language.
Okay, so question. Is there a significant place where you were dropped off at in this planet?
You mean when I first arrived here? Yeah, there was a place...
Okay, maybe start there.
Yeah, there was a place where it looked like there's, like, multiple land areas. And when I first arrived...
Nova Mobius.
When I first arrived there was a whole lot of snow there, but... From what I heard, all the snow seemed to have thawed out throughout most of the place. And I remember Dancing Snowman being there. Yeah, but that's where I met Mr. Draco, Miss Berry, and then there was a few others too. Someone called Sonic, or Legendary Sonic, what people call him. Mr. Blue Star.
Yeah.
And someone who could be my age. He goes by the name Kit. And then there was, Ben Gaming the Hedgehog, or Ben the Hedgehog.
I see. So, is there anyone else that is close to you, or?
Well, I've also been hanging out with Mr. Mike.
Ah, yeah, him. I know him well.
Yeah, he's a bit of a goofball, but at least he's really nice, and he's very fluffy.
Glad you made friends along the way. I can consider you a friend.
I know that there was some others too that I had met. Especially those that had given me, well, that same look that you gave me. There was,
I overheard you. You said Chilled, Alex, Barry, Draco, right? Or is there any I'm missing?
Let's see, there's also Miss Ag. She didn't give me that look until a little later when she asked me about my family. And then there was, and then there was a fox lady and this wolf guy. I know that the fox lady, I think her name is, Vicky. She kind of gave me that look.
My sister.
And she kind of gave me that look, and then this wolf guy, he almost sounded like a bit of a loud parrot, but he said something about me looking like the fox lady's mother. I'm assuming that Peace.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's gonna get a while to get used to.
Yeah. Well, maybe this is some type of mirror world or something. Maybe I have a twin?
I guess we can go with that. I don't want to shoot too much info at you real quickly.
Okay. Yeah, let's see. I know that I did meet some other people along the line too. I saw a grumpy black and red hedgehog called Shadow.
Oh God.
And then let's see. And then there was also another fox lady fox girl as well called Cece.
Aw, yeah, her. I remember her.
Mm-hmm. And then there's just a few others.
Oh yeah. There is one name since Brent mentioned Chilled, Alex, and AG. Did you meet a wolf named Zoe?
Oh, Miss Zoe. Yeah, I was a little
Yeah, those four are technically close.
Yeah, I was a little nervous at first. When I saw her, but she was really friendly and she seemed to enjoy giving me hugs and cookies.
She does love children.
Yeah.
But hey, you seem really cool.
Yeah, I try to be at least.
That's all that matters. Just accept who you are. You don't have to be like anyone else. Take it from me.
Yeah. To be honest, Mr. Dragon, you almost kind of remind me of someone.
Huh? Who would that be?
My godfather.
Is there a name?
His name is Barchel. He's a king of heaven.
I'll take that as a compliment.
Well, he always seems to be a bit encouraging and, well, when he saw that I was able to fight, he pretty much told off that mean old ancestor Kurama for trying to hold me back. Yeah, you should really see how he and Daddy like to fight off against the bad guys.
True family there. Always have each other's backs.
Yeah, and then I also...
Why don't you follow...
What's up?
Why don't we come walk? I know there's a campfire nearby.
Oh, okay.
Because I can tell you're pretty much kind of cold from the weather.
Just a little, but I'll be alright.
There it is. Over here. There you go. Get yourself warm. So anyway, back to what you were saying?
Yeah, and I know I have a sensei. He never told me his name, but he was the one who had taught me how to be able to fight. And to be an honorable warrior.
I see.
Yep, but... And then although I live as a Fox Kingdom, though I don't have a title there since right now I know Rosie-chan's the princess, while her mommy, Auntie Marina's the queen.
Wait, Rosie-chan? You mean Rosaria?
You know her?
Heard her from a friend. Heard her from a friend of mine.
Yep, she's really sweet. She's my cousin. She and I like to play a lot. But she sometimes keeps calling me her little sister.
That's the bond, I guess. Those tend to happen.
Yeah, and then there's Auntie Marina's husband. He's a bit of a grump sometimes, but sometimes I see his chancellor kind of try to tell him off for being too much of a grump.
Yeah. There are some people that need to be told off every now and then.
Yeah, I just wish somebody could be able to tell off that stupid Kurama.
I'm pretty sure the time will come.
Though, can you keep a secret?
Yeah, sure. What's up?
I have been hearing, too, from Mama and Papa and a few others that they're trying to dethrone stupid Kurama. They keep saying they're waiting for the moment of the true ancestor to take the throne. I don't know who this true ancestor is.
Any idea who the ancestor... That answered my question. But anyway, continue.
Yeah, I have no idea who it is, though, but every time that keeps getting mentioned, they usually keep stating that they need to keep me alive. For not only just for the sake of the kingdom, but also to at least be able to help Daddy out too when the time hits. And then there's this other fallen angel, I think it's Azazel? He kept saying that there's also more to it for me, all while it's better to keep me around more. It probably explains why every time somebody tries to put me down because I'm supposedly dangerous, someone always has to say back off or I'm not gonna say that word off.
I don't need to... You don't seem that dangerous to me.
Yeah,
you're just innocent. You just seem sweet and innocent.
I think that's
you are just a kid.
I think that the only time, though, that I really actually had a fight was when I was protecting Rosie-chan from some bullies. I suddenly went into my fox form, but when I attacked those bullies, everyone kept saying that I turned into a black fox. From what my mama and Auntie Marina said, I was a shadow fox.
Ah, that's what it is.
But yeah, then because of that, that's when apparently I'm guessing that Raziel decided that, hey, I need to learn how to fight a little bit better. And then I started seeing my sensei, and he's been teaching me a lot.
I'm sure you're great where you're at. Besides, as long as you know how to defend yourself, that's all that matters. I see it.
Yeah, I try to be, and plus also a lot of people don't really like to make me cry either, because apparently whenever I cry,
Let me guess, lightning?
Yeah, everybody keeps thinking that it's gonna rain.
Don't want that happening. Might have been some type of power you had.
Probably. I mean, from what I keep hearing,
But take it from me that needs to keep things under control. All it is just takes a lot of it just takes training. Training to actually use your powers in the right moment.
Mm-hmm.
Just need to learn about it from the mind. On what or when to unleash it.
Mm-hmm.
Even depends on emotions too.
Yeah, I know that's what my sensei's been teaching me. Plus, even there's one time I had actually practiced about a couple days ago. I was able to finally unleash an attack that I had trouble with, and I managed to unleash it with success.
Nice.
Though because of that, let's just say that someone's arm got, didn't move for a little while.
Oh, ooh. Maybe they'll learn not to mess with you?
Maybe. Anyway.
Celebi.
I hear something.
Celebi. Celebi.
I heard that too. I'll stick by you.
Celebi.
Whoever it is, come on out!
I don't feel or smell anyone else nearby. It's more like in the air. I keep hearing Celebi. Do you know what that means?
That's a Pokemon, I believe. 'Cause I've heard it before.
What's a Pokemon?
Consider it like animals. Well, not really technically animals. They're considered like pets as well. They're actually, if you have one, they're technically your companion, and you won't have to be alone.
So you're saying that
Hey.
it's a pet calling for me?
I have one. Hey, I have one.
But Celebi. Huh.
But anyway, what was your question? Sorry.
Well, I was asking, so it was a pet calling for me?
I don't know if it was reaching out to you or it was just saying that because, well, I can't really answer that. I guess when you find it, you'll have to see.
Okay.
Celebi.
I heard it again.
I hear it too, but hang on. Oh. I'll be heading back in a moment. Sent.
Who's that?
It was Miss Berry. She was letting me know that she's gonna get dinner made and asked me to head back.
You know where to go from here, right? But hey, it was good seeing you. Happy to learn about you.
It's nice to meet you too, Mr. Dragon.
Yeah, you know what?
Okay.
Don't keep her waiting now.
Okay. I'll see you later.
Yo, Yina!
Yeah?
Remember the super form I mentioned, right?
Yeah?
Ah!
Ooh.
Anyway, I'll see you around.
Bye. He's alright. Oof. That was cold. I'll be okay.